Hello students, welcome back to my class. Today I am going to teach class 6. The subject is English and the sub-subject is grammar. The topic is voice. This is chapter number 11 in your book. This is chapter number 11. Today we will do the exercises of this chapter. So let's start. First of all, let us see what is given in exercise number 1. So in exercise number 1, it is said, underline the verbs in the following sentences and tell whether they are in the active or in the passive voice. First of all, we have to underline the verb and then we have to tell either the verb is in active voice or in passive voice. See, here are 12 sentences. First of all, let us see first 6 sentences. The first one is he is liked by all. He is liked by all. Full stop. Next one is the boy made a kite. The boy made a kite. Full stop. Third one is the cat drank all the milk. The cat drank all the milk. Fourth one is little Bo Peep has lost her sheep. Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep. Has lost her sheep. Full stop. Fifth one is the cat was chased by the dog. The cat was chased by the dog. Full stop. Sixth one is the sudden noise frightened the dog. The sudden noise frightened the dog. Full stop. So let's first see these sentences. Sentence number 1 is he is liked by all. Is liked is plus third form of main verb, past participle of main verb is passive voice. Simple present tense, passive voice. So this is the verb and this is passive voice. In second one, the boy made a kite. Made is the verb. We have to underline the verb and tell either the verb is active voice or passive voice. This is second form of main verb. It tells us that the sentence is in active voice and it is simple past tense. So this is active voice. Third, the cat drank all the milk. Drank is the verb. It is second form of main verb, means it is simple past tense and it is in active voice. It is also active voice. Now see the next one. Little Bo Peep has lost. Has lost is the verb. It is present perfect tense in active voice. In passive voice we also add been, has been, have been, etc. But it is only has plus third form of the main verb. It means it is in active voice. Active voice. Come to the next one. The fifth one is the cat was chased by the dog. Was verb plus third form of main verb tells us that the sentence is in passive voice and it is simple past tense. So this is passive voice. Passive voice. Come to the sixth. Next one. The sudden noise frightened. Frightened is the verb. Frightened the dog. Frightened is the verb. It is second form of main verb. It tells us that the sentence is in simple past tense, active voice. This is active voice. So in first sentence, is liked is the subject, is the verb and it is passive voice. In second one, made is the verb, it is in active voice. In third, drank is the verb, it is in active voice. In fourth, has lost is the verb, it is in active voice. In fifth, was chased is the verb and it is in passive voice. And number 6, frightened is the verb and it is in active voice. These are the first 6 sentences of the exercise number 1. The 7th sentence is the letter was posted yesterday. The letter was posted yesterday. Full stop. 8th is the thief was caught. The thief was caught. Next, 9. Hari is often helped by his brother. Hari is often helped by his brother. Full stop. Next one is a stone struck him on the head. A stone struck him. Stone struck him. Struck him on the head. On the head. Full stop. 11th. Some boys fly kites. Some boys fly kites. 12th. He is carrying a lot of luggage. He is carrying a lot of luggage. A lot of luggage. So, see these sentences. The 7th sentence is the letter was posted. Was plus third form of main verb tells us that the sentence is in passive voice. So, was posted is the verb. and it is in passive voice. Eighth is the thief was caught. Was plus third form of main verb tells us that this is in passive voice. So this is also in passive voice. And the ninth one is Hari is often helped. Hari is often helped by his brother. Is plus third form of main verb tells us that the sentence is in passive voice, simple present tense. So this is also in passive voice. Passive voice. Next one is a stone struck him on the head. Struck is the second form of main verb. It means the sentence is in active voice, simple past tense. So this is active voice. See the next one. Some boys fly kites. Fly tells us simple present tense in active voice. So this is also active voice. And the next one, he is carrying a lot of luggage. Is plus ing form of main verb tells us that this is present continuous tense, active voice. So this is also active voice. So see, the seventh one is the verb is was posted. It is in passive voice. In eighth, was caught is the verb and it is in passive voice. In 9, is helped is the verb and it is in passive voice. In 10, struck is the verb and it is in active voice. In 11th, fly is the verb and it is in active voice. And 12th, is carrying is the verb and it is in active voice. So these are the sentences of exercise number 1. Now exercise number 1 is completed. Let us see the exercise number 2. See now exercise number 2. In exercise number 2, it is given rewrite the following sentences in passive voice. I will change the sentence one by one now because there is active voice and we have to change those active voice into passive voice. So first sentence is the man cut down the tree. The man cut down the tree. We have to change the sentences of exercise number 2 into passive voice. So we know that we will make the object of active voice as subject. We will change the object of active voice as the subject in passive voice. So the tree. This is simple past tense, second form of main verb. So for simple past tense we use was or were as helping verb. The tree is singular, that's why the tree was. And then the third form of main verb cut. All forms are the same. So the tree was cut down. Then we use by and we change the subject of active voice into the object of passive voice. Cut by the man. Full stop. This is the passive voice of the first sentence. Now see the second sentence. The second one is the jackal followed the tiger. The jackal. Now I have told you the rules. So now I will only change the sentences from active voice to passive voice and you have to see. The jackal followed the tiger. The jackal followed the tiger. So the tiger, the passive voice would be the tiger was followed was followed by the jackal. By the jackal. Full stop. This is the second sentence of exercise number 2. Now see the third one. The third sentence is, his teacher praised him. His teacher praised him. The subjective form of him is he. He was praised by his teacher. Now the fourth sentence. The fourth sentence is, he made a very remarkable discovery. He made, all the sentences are in simple past tense. He made a very remarkable, very remarkable discovery. So, a very remarkable discovery or very remarkable discovery was made by him. This is the passive voice of sentence number 4. Now let's see sentence number 5. He invited us into his house. He invited us into his house. So this is the object. We will make the passive voice with us. We were invited by him into his house. Full stop. Sixth one is, Shivaji defied the Mughal emperor. Shivaji defied the Mughal emperor. The passive voice of this sentence will be, the Mughal emperor was defied by Shivaji. The next sentence is sentence number 7. Ravi feeds the dog every day. Ravi feeds the dog every day. So now the sentence, the tense is changed. This is simple present tense. For simple present tense we use the helping verb is, am, are, and third form of main verb. So the dog is fed is fed by Ravi every day. Full stop. This is exercise number 7. Sentence number 8 is the police have arrested him. The police have arrested him. The police have arrested him. This is present perfect tense. In present perfect tense we use has been or have been plus third form of main verb. So him, the subjective form of him is he. With he we will use has been. He has been arrested by the police. Arrested by the police. Full stop. The next sentence is sentence number 9 is your behavior vexes me. Your behavior vexes me. I am vexed. I am vexed by your behavior. Next one is 10. He scored 50 runs. He scored 50 runs. Full stop. So 50 runs, this is simple past tense. So 50 runs were scored by him. This is the passive voice of this sentence. Next sentence is we expect good news. We expect good news. So this is simple present tense. In so we will write good news was expected. Good news, this is simple present tense. So good news is expected by us. Full stop. Next one is everyone respects him. Everyone respects him. So this is also simple present tense. So we will convert it. He is respected. In this sentence everyone is not must write. So we will left it, or I am going to write it in bracket. He is respected by everyone. So we don't write everyone or the things that are common, that are general. So he is respected, the sentence is complete. We don't need to write by everyone. So these are the sentences of exercise number 2. First one is America was discovered by Christopher Columbus. America was discovered by Christopher Columbus. So the active voice of this sentence will be Christopher Columbus discovered America. The next one is, he was treated ungratefully by his sailors. He was treated ungratefully by his sailors. So it will be, his sailors treated him ungratefully. His sailors treated him ungratefully. Now let's see one more sentence of this exercise. The third one is, the work must be done by you and your brother. The work must be done by you and your brother. So you and your brother must do the work. You and your brother must do the work. This is sentence number 3. So in this way we will change the passive voice into active voice. Exercise number 4 is, rewrite the following sentences by changing the voice. If the sentence is in active voice, we have to change into passive voice. If the subject is in passive voice, we have to change it into active voice. The first sentence is, the peon opened the gate. The peon opened the gate. This is simple past tense and in active voice. It means we have to change it into passive voice. Passive voice will be of this sentence will be, the gate was opened by the peon. See the second one. The second sentence is, the boy was beaten by the dog. The boy was beaten by the dog. This is passive voice. This is active voice, but this is passive voice. So we have to change it into active voice. So the active voice of this sentence will be, the dog. This is simple past tense. So we will use the second form of main verb. The second form is beat. The dog beat the boy. See one more example of this exercise. Sentence number 3. Sentence number 3 is, the sudden noise frightened the horse. The sudden noise frightened the horse. Frightened the horse. So this verb tells us that the verb is in active voice, so we have to change it into passive voice. Passive voice. So the horse was, this is simple past tense, so was a verb plus third form of main verb, was frightened by the sudden noise. Frightened by the sudden noise. Sudden noise. So these are the exercises that are given in your book. You will complete the remaining sentences of this exercise and also exercise the remaining sentences of exercise number 3. If you face any difficulty, then you can consult me. So for today my class is over. Thank you. Have a nice day.